What is up, YouTube? Welcome back. Thanks for coming back again. Today, real quick video, we're gonna get into the 2 things that you need to land a vending machine location. It's only 2 and it works with no problem. Come on, let's get into it. What is up, guys? So let's get right into it like we always do every single time. The thing, we don't waste time, because if you're wasting time, you're wasting money. So let's get right into it. So I had a topic request, a very aggressive topic request. Hey, and I can appreciate it. I think his name was Jason. I appreciate the aggressiveness on the request. Jason said, hey, I need you to tell me exactly what you say when you go into locations to try to get them. I need to know exactly what you do, step by step. I want to know it all. Like, just lay it out on the line for me, because I can't figure it out. You know, people turn me down all the time. So let's get right into it on what I do when I go into a location and I try to get the location. Hey, now, as with all sales, because this is sales, you're gonna eat a lot of no's to the face. A lot of people are gonna tell you no, but it doesn't matter, because the only thing that we're doing is we're trying to find the yes. Because when we find the yes, that's money. Yes means the machine is going in and it's gonna start making money. All right. So there are 2 things to it, and only 2 things. Now the 2 things are gonna be, and remember now, I'm putting you guys up on all of my game. Now, and I haven't seen these things done in videos, but I'm giving y'all all of my knowledge. Why? Because I want y'all to get this cash too. I want y'all to get this cash. Now, like I always say, don't step on your boy toes if you're in North Carolina. But if you're anywhere else, hey, use all the info, man. Get it in. All right. So the first thing that I bring with me every single time is, you know, when I go into the location, first thing I do is, it depends on the location. If they have a receptionist, I always ask the receptionist if they have a vending machine. Crazy question, right? But I need to know that right up front. Now, I know some people like to ask immediately for a manager or immediately for the owner, but I feel like I don't like wasting owners' times. I don't like wasting managers' time with a quick question, because if the answer to my question of do you guys have a vending machine, if the answer is yes, then, you know, I'm not really gonna, like, I gotta do a little bit more investigation on it. Like, and now this is just personal. I like to do like a little stakeout, you know what I'm saying? Like, because I like to try to see, you know, if you do have a machine, has it been stocked? You know, like, are all of the slots working? You know, does it have stale product in it? So, you know, those are major things. Is it dirty? Is the machine dirty? Does it have stale product in it? Does it have any product in it? And is it in service right now? Now, if I scout those things out and it's looking good, I'm really not gonna waste anybody's time. Like, if I come in and, oh snap, like, you know, there are no fingerprints on the machine, all of the product is in date, you know, the machine is stocked. Hey, you're doing a great job. I'm not really gonna mess with your hustle on that one. But if you have a machine and you tell me yes, and then I'll be like, okay, well, thanks. Can you just point it to me? And then they point it, oh yeah, it's around the corner. If I get there and it's nasty boogers and fingerprints and like old juice stains and stuff all on the machine, dust all over the machine is out of product, stale product. Oh yeah, now we go back and I need to speak to the manager or the owner. So then if we reverse it and we get back to the front desk and I ask her if they have a vending machine and she tells me no, boom, now we're good. Okay, well, could I please speak with the manager or the owner? And then, you know, they go grab them real quick. So then we'll just assume that they don't have a vending machine, okay? So next, what I'm gonna do, you know, hey, my name is Michael. I work with a local, you know, vending machine company, and, you know, what we do is, and now I center it around, because you got to tweak your pitch, right? I center it around wherever I'm at. So, for example, on this video, let's say that I'm at a dealership. So I would say, hi, my name is Michael. And now, so when I do these videos, I'm in like t-shirts and stuff. But when I go to location, I'm like collar shirt, you know what I'm saying? Collar shirt, slacks. Like, you got to look presentable, you know what I'm saying? Like, you aren't just representing yourself, you're representing a business. So you got to present yourself as such. All right. So, my name is Michael. I work with a local vending company, and what we do is we provide vending machines to the local dealerships in the area. So I just wanted to just stop by and just see if you would be interested. I whipped this out. Like I said, I haven't seen anybody else on making these videos with this, so I'm giving y'all my game. Don't step on your boy toes. All right, so let me show you this. So I don't know if it's showing up. It's showing like reverse flipped on my side. But if you can see this, this is what I bring in with me. And I just made this on Microsoft Word with like an image, and then I just laminated this. So I mean, it looks professional. It doesn't get dirty. Guys, if you're gonna do this method, because I showed this to another guy, and I was like, well, what I'm saying, like show me what you got, like, I'm saying, show me how it turned out. The dude did this, but he didn't laminate it, and he got like coffee stains, juice stains, it's wrinkled, it's torn in the top corner. Like, get you some professional, man. Like, represent yourself nice. So this is what I come in with. Hi, so like I said, just wanted to see if you guys will be interested in having a machine on location. Now you guys wouldn't actually have to do anything with the machine. We check the machine, we stock the machine, we have technology that lets us know when the products are getting low. And so, before you ever run out of product, we've already filled it up again for you. Now if you take a closer look right here, this is what separates our machines from the other machines, okay? So this type of technology. So not only can they put cash, dollars and coins, but they can also pay with a credit card, debit card, Android Pay, smartwatch, from their phone, all types of ways right here at the machine. Now what also happens with this machine, also with the technology, is you guys won't ever have to worry about, and now the machine that you have, if they have a machine, but we're gonna say that they don't have a machine this time. Yep, so you'll never have to worry about giving out customer refunds or anything. The way that these machines are built, there's a laser on the inside of this machine. If whatever product they purchase does not break the laser line, it will actually refund their money. So you guys never have to worry about any of the customer service, any of the products, and you don't have to come out of pocket to bring these nice machines into your location, which provide convenience for your customers. Now I have a little leg up in the car industry because I used to work in it. So I know as a car salesman, and as sales management, you don't like for your employees to leave the lot. Because if they leave the lot and someone comes on the lot, then you just missed a potential sale. So you want all of your salespeople at the dealership all the time. So, if you can't leave and go get lunch, what's the next best option? To go ahead and just hold yourself over with some snacks or some drinks. So like I said, we handle the entire process from pickup to installation, maintenance, everything. We take care of it for you guys. Now lastly, what I want you to see on the flyer is all of our machines are ADA compliant. Well, what is ADA? ADA means that ADA stands for Americans with Disabilities Act compliant. Meaning that if you have a look here, all of our machines, every single mechanism needed to operate the machine is at a level that everyone can reach. So, a small child could reach it, a full-grown adult can reach it, or someone that is, in a wheelchair that can't reach all the way up, they can reach it as well. So the highest that everything gets is 48 inches to make sure that all of your customers and your employees will be able to use the machine. So, you don't have to worry about, anyone coming in and, feeling as though you discriminate, because you guys will actually be, able to service and provide refreshments for all employees. Ooh, listen now, I gave you game now. This is what you need to take with you. And I just made this up. I Microsoft Word and a laminator. Don't step on your boy toes now. All right, now cool. So like I said, we don't waste time. We got to get right into this. So this is so this is what I take in with me. This is the main thing in terms of your presentation, and I just told you kind of my word track on it. Now the next thing that you need that is vital in securing locations and it has nothing to do with anything tangible, so let me go ahead and drop that. The last thing that you need is to have your S.E.E.N factors really popping off. Now S.E.E.N is an acronym that I learned way back working at another sales company. S.E.E.N factors. S S.E.E.N. S.E.E.N factors. What are S.E.E.N factors? I'm about to put them up on the screen for you guys. Smiling, eye contact, enthusiasm, and nodding. So, smiling. Hi, how are you? Hey, do you guys have vending machines at this location? Eye contact. Do you guys have Hi, how are you today? Do you guys have vending machines at this location? Enthusiasm. Hey, good afternoon, good morning. Hey, how are you? How's everything going today? Hey, I had a quick question. Do you guys have vending machines here at your location? Now, the enthusiasm as opposed to and then the last one, nodding. Do you guys have vending machines at your location? Like how does I like that? So look at how I approach her with all S.E.E.N factors: smiling, eye contact, enthusiasm, nodding. Versus if I don't use those. Hey, do you guys have vending machines at your location? Versus S.E.E.N factors. Do you guys have vending machines at your location? Hey, how are you today? Do you guys have vending machines at your location? Like how different is that, right? So the S.E.E.N factors open them up, having something tangible that can show them what you're bringing. Because now, if you have like a little candy vending machine, obviously a little gumball machine, a little Skittles machine. I don't have those, but if you have that, yeah, I mean, you could bring that with you. You know, and I've seen guys, with the videos that bring them with them, which is a great idea because people can see them. But hey, we're talking about a few 100-pound combo vending machine. You're not gonna strap this to your back, so this is the next best way to show them exactly how it looks, so they can mentally imagine what this machine looks like in their establishment. And then the bottom part, the ADA compliant, just letting them know, hey, like we service everyone, like everyone with disabilities and everything. Anyone can use these machines, so you're not leaving anyone out by getting this machine as opposed to another machine. So there you go. So to wrap it up, because like I said, we're gonna get in, get out, so we don't waste time. Because if you waste time, you waste the money. The two things. Number one, come in there with a tangible flyer, something that they can see, that they can touch, that you can put in their hand and let them look at, and then make a decision. So you need something like this, number one, and number two, S.E.E.N factors: smiling, eye contact, enthusiasm, nodding. I mean, you want to talk to me, right? Yeah, yeah. Like you want to give me the time of day to just show you what my machine is about. It's totally free. I'm nodding. I'm smiling. I'm having a good time. As opposed to, hey, do y'all have a vending machine in here? Exactly. Alright guys, so without further ado, I'm gonna let y'all get out of here. Please make sure that you like, comment, subscribe, and if you know anybody that's into the vending industry also, please share it. And other than that, any other topics? Now I did have one other topic, based on my thumbnail, that's my current vehicle. A guy wanted me to basically show my car, tell him about the car, because he's like interested in Infinities. And so I told him that one of these next coming up videos, I'll like do something like I'll like go over my car, and then like I'll include that with us driving to some locations. So we're gonna get into that as well too. So without further ado, I'm gonna let you guys get at it. Y'all have a good one. I can't wait to see you guys come back again. Have a good one.